The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for Clay County in central Kansas, Cloud County in central Kansas, Dickinson County in central Kansas, Ellsworth County in central Kansas, Geary County in central Kansas, Jewell County in central Kansas, Southwest Lincoln County in central Kansas, until 9 a.m. At 8 a.m., a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Topeka, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Topeka around 8:45 a.m. Take cover now. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor.